and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable fake cake.
This is really cute. Store your different wares. This one stores eyeballs and a Hershey's Kiss. It just kind of has improved my life to just be able to put things in a little cake.
It's also a good way to upcycle old containers. This purple cake is made out of a coffee can, so if you want to make one of your own, let's go over all the things you're gonna need. You will need just a few things. The base for your cake, so you can use an old box, you can use a can of beans, or an old coffee can. You can also find cute cardboard boxes at Dollar Tree, which is where I got this little heart-shaped box. You'll also need some caulk, which I found at the Dollar Tree.
Hello.
I used about 3 tubes, so make sure that you have enough.
Now, a lot of people online are recommending to use spackle. Spackle is annoying. I don't know, the texture is very foamy. It just kept falling off. I'm trying to scrape. It was not easy. So I went to get some spackle at the Dollar Tree and they didn't have it. I almost didn't buy anything, but I went back into the aisle and I saw that they had caulk. I was like, you know what can go wrong? It seems like there's a lot of goo in here. I really suggest getting the squeezy tube so that you can your piping tip, keeping it in the tube and just holding to frost. Much easier. Acrylic paint. You can just use cheap stuff. It doesn't matter. Quality does not matter. Gloves. If you want to add cherries, gummy worms, I really recommend using polymer clay to make some little cherries. I am selling these on my website. Go grab them.
Please do not judge my terrible piping skills. Are you also terrible at frosting cake? Then keep watching and learn how to frost without commitment. So I've had these glass beads for years and I thought they looked very cherry-like. For my second cake, I balled up some polymer clay, sculpted an indent at the top, baked, coated in a few layers of red paint, and then coated in Sculpey gloss glaze. Then of course, the worms. So I'm warming up the clay and then adding it to the mold in layers, making sure to really squish it all down. time to add lining. Begin by tracing the shape of your cake onto some felt or fabric and cut it out. Keep trimming until it fits snugly into the bottom, then attach with a thick layer of Mod Podge. For the sides, cut a strip tall enough to reach the top of your container and long enough to wrap all the way around. Measuring tape could be useful here. Same deal as before, you can attach with Mod Podge. I used binder clips to attach the fabric to the sides as the Mod Podge dried. If that won't work for your container, you can just attach one section at a time, let it dry, and then move on to the next section. After everything has dried, you can trim off any excess fabric. Hello, so that's the end of today's video. If you made it this far, thank you, that's really nice. I have a few announcements. These handmade mushroom earrings are for sale on my website right now. Also, I have opened commissions on my website. If you are interested in having me make something for you, you can reach out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!